Alright, I'm having a problem with a no start after an alternator was overcharging. The car shut off, won't turn on. Looks like all the gauges work except the check engine light does not come on when I crank it over. Let me see if I can focus here. Car cranks over but will not start. Check the fuel pump relay is good. Pulled a spark plug wire out. There is no spark. And I'm also having a problem with my code reader linking. Now for some reason it is not working. I've never had this issue with this car before. It usually comes up pretty quick. And I'll run it through so you can see it here. Sorry for the bad video, it's on my cell phone. Now you got linking error. All the fuses under the hood look good. We'll run by through them right now. I've checked these 215s, they are both good. And all these as well. They're all good. Can't get that one to focus there.